Do you have a house in Columbus, Nebraska that you want or need to sell and would like to avoid the challenges that come with a traditional listing and marketing of a house? Would you like to avoid the repairs and updates that may need to be done to your house in order to get it market ready and avoid the showings and sometimes inconvenient showing times to potential buyers and keeping the house in show ready condition? Would you like to avoid the potential renegotiations that can come with a traditional buyer doing a whole house inspection and appraisal that can typically lead to deficiencies that a buyer will want corrected before they will purchase the house? My name is Ben Souchek, and I'm with the Sierra Group, 7dayscash.com. My company buys houses in Columbus, Nebraska, and we can offer you the fastest, most convenient way to sell your house. The steps involved to sell your property in Columbus is one, first check out our website, 7dayscash.com. That's the number 7, DAYSCASH.com, and check out how we go about buying your house. And especially check out the reviews and the testimonials and what other people have said about us. Both the Better Business Bureau reviews as well as the Google reviews that we have. My company has been in business for over 20 years. We've purchased hundreds of houses and have helped hundreds of other home sellers with traditional ways of selling a house when us buying a house wasn't the right solution for them. So just know that no matter what your situation is, we can have a solution for you to assist you if you want to sell your house. So the steps involved, again, 1, check out our website. 2, go ahead and fill in the information about your house, and that will come to us so that we can get an idea of the property that we're working with. Or you can certainly call us toll-free 855-291-5005 and give us the information that way. Once we get your information, we will do what we can online to check information there, and we'll give you a call back to confirm what we're seeing that you've given us and to collect any additional information that we may need. Assuming that we are, or possibly, a good fit and that we can help you out in some way, we will come and take a look at your property and meet with you. Sometimes we can do this initially by you sending us pictures. It's kind of whichever way that you would prefer us to do that, whether just sending us pictures or actually taking a look at the house so that we have a pretty good idea of what we're working with and the best way that we can help you. The next step is, if we're at the inspection, we can typically give you a proposal, at least one or more offers while we're there. If you like the offers that we can provide to you, we can go ahead and get the ball rolling right then and there and get the paperwork started. The next step would be us taking the paperwork to the title company and for them to start checking title and doing the things they need to in order to prepare for a closing. The title company will prepare all the paperwork for closing, will request any additional information or documents that they may need from you, and then we can close on your date of choice, whether that's within a few days or longer. We can time the closing and possession to fit your schedule and what you would like to see happen. So if you have additional questions, and if we can be an asset and a solution for you, please check us out at 7dayscash.com, and we'd be happy to do all that we could to take care of your house in Columbus. Thank you very much.